This tutorial will show you how to use the EJScreen application to find and retrieve the basic demographic data you need to complete EJ analysis for most WSDOT projects. The EJScreen application was built and is maintained by the Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA. It uses U.S. Census Bureau and American Community Service data. A link to the EJScreen can be found on the WSDOT Environmental Justice webpage. Open the EJScreen application. EJScreen does not use state route and milepost designations. Therefore, before you begin, you will need to know the name of the community closest to your project and have a visual reference for the beginning and ending points of your project. A vicinity map with an aerial photo background and parcel boundaries works best. Contact the project office to acquire the necessary vicinity maps and aerial photos. For this demonstration, let's assume that WSDOT is going to construct a right turn lane on US 12 at Moon Road. We'll assume that the project vicinity map shows the right turn lane beginning 1/10 of a mile east of Moon Road and ending at the intersection. Type the community name and state in the search box in the upper right corner. The application zooms to Rochester, Washington. Zoom in until you can read the county road names. From the Base Map drop-down menu in the upper right corner, select Bing Maps Hybrid. This will give you an aerial photo background with street names. Locate the project by using your best judgment to match up the begin and end points from the vicinity map to the EJScreen base map. Or you can use the Measure tool to find a visual reference for the begin and end points on the base map. You can see that 0.1 mile lines up with a break in the trees on the south side of the road. You must find a visual reference because the measured points will disappear when you go to the next step. Click on Generate Reports and choose Select Location. Use the Draw Line tool to mark the center line of your project. Fill in the project name. Set the buffer at 1/2 mile. If you click on Add to Map, you can see the area that will be included in the report. Click on Print to print a copy of the map. The application will allow you to print a hard copy or save a PDF to the project file. Close Current File after printing. Click on Get 2010-2014 ACS Report. Save a PDF of the report to the project file. X out and close the current file to return to the EJScreen. Click on Get 2010 Census Report. Save a PDF of the report to the project file. X out and close the current file to return to EJScreen. To find the elementary school closest to your project area, click on the Add Maps icon. Open the Additional Maps drop-down menu and select Places. Check the box next to Schools. Wait for the icons to appear on the map. You may need to zoom out to see the school. Click on the school icon and get the school name. In this case, Grand Mound Elementary is the closest elementary school. You can retrieve school demographic data from the Office of Superintendent of Public Instruction website. A link to this website is found on the WSDOT EJ webpage. Close the application.